Meeting new people, having new experiences. Each person is a story. There is always something new to learn about. So now this guy, I met him here. One of the first things that I realized was he said they were 20 years. They have already got their job. At the age of 20, I was literally smoking up and not knowing what to do in life. Then when you say
coming here was one of the most interesting, amazing experiences I've had because and you end up meeting such interesting people, and that's what it's all about. I was dying somewhere when I was in college because I was meeting the same set of people. I was doing the same thing over and over again, and life kind of likes to throw you in a rut.
Hello, namaste. My name is Aditya. I work in hostels, and now I'm working in a Dharamkot hostel. His name is Flugler Hostel, and it's nice to work in a hospitality. Last 3.5 years I'm working in a hospitality. I like it, I enjoyed it, I love to travel. So yeah, that's my introduction.
The ideal life is a rut. You know, you have a good job, you have a good family, you can come back and do the same shit over and over and over and over and you fucking die. So this makes so much sense for me. Now I really want to travel some more.
But I believe the moment you step out of home, you're traveling.
100%.
Because each person you meet is a traveler. And you learn something from that person.
It's such a small world.
Yeah. You know, the moment you decide to shed off your inhibitions and open up to a person, you never know what you'll end up finding. There's a lot of things that you find from people. I walk into the shack, it's a very old man. He's 70 or something.
Right.
So I just bend down, touch his feet and say, Baba, aap kaise ho? After that, he just opens up and he's like talking to me about his life, his family. So my friend is like, I think he wants to marry and talking to you. Like, you know, the way he was saying it. So half an hour, he's like giving me full life history.
Oh man!